Hi guys, I'm Shigo and this is my tutorial. I will glue down some cotton to give it more volume. I'm going to repeat this process at least 3 times until I have the volume I want. I will also add some more liquid latex and cotton all over my face to have a lot of texture, but not too much. Since you want to get that extreme plastic surgery vibe, don't forget to add huge lips. Now I'm adding the foundation, and don't worry, I know it looks very brown. But now I'm gonna add some white on the highlights of my face to balance out the colors. You don't want to be looking like a ghost, so don't forget to take off all of the excess powder. I'm also adding a little bit of black under the cheeks to give it that exaggerated feel. This is a very important part. You have to add a lot of highlighter to give it more volume. My inspiration behind this look were, of course, Amanda Lepore and Jessica Rabbit, so don't forget the huge red lips. First up, I'm gonna line the lips and then I will fill them in. I will add some darker reds and blacks. I'm also adding some white on the center of the lips. So now I'm gonna draw on the crease. I'm first up gonna put some brown and then some black to give it more definition. I'm now adding some blue to the crease because I like the contrast between the heat and the cold, so red and blue, you get it. You're gonna have to use different blues and different whites. I gotta make the old woman look flawless and glamorous, so I'm adding some glitter, of course. Listen, the woman is old and Botox cannot fix everything, so she's kind of melting. So that's why one of the eyes is kind of bigger than the other because it's like falling down. Do not forget the lashes. And to finish up the look, I will add my white wig and my outfit with these huge ass boobs. Don't worry, I'm not shaming anybody, I love plastic surgery. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe to Beauty Studio and of course me, Official Shigo on Instagram. You will be obsessed with me, trust me. Bye!
Hi guys, my name is Ryan Potter and today we're going to be doing a glam look. Alright, so my first step is usually priming my face, and then after I prime my face, I like to go in with a medium to full coverage foundation. After my foundation, I'll go with concealer, powder, and then just get the base all in check. So I don't like looking super heavily contoured, but for blush, I definitely like going in with a super heavy hand on the blush, super colorful cheeks, and then for highlight, I like kind of more of like a minimal glow.
Let's bring the house down.
For my brows, I usually like to start off on the base of my brows. Kind of get the tail all nice and in check.
Let's bring the house.
For the eye look, I went for a neutral eye look, so I went in with just like really warm colors on the eyelid. I used a little bit of glitter just to kind of make it a little more exciting. And then for the pop of color, I went with a teal to match the backdrop. To complete the glam look, I went ahead and added liner and lashes because I feel like no glam look is complete without it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What's up, you guys? My name is Daniel, and today we're going to be doing a drag queen transformation. The biggest challenge about this look is actually gluing down my eyebrows. The very first thing you have to do is glue down the eyebrows and give it a very flat plane to draw a new face right on top of. Once the brows are set, we're gonna start off with foundation. I'm putting a lighter highlight color in the center of my face, more contour shades on my cheekbones and jawline, and then the rest of the foundation will fill in between. Then we blend that all together and start baking the face with powder. Now to start off those eyes, we're going to create a larger shape than they actually appear. So I'm going to go in with a white cream color underneath my eyes to really open them up. Then with a black eyeliner, we're going to cut out a giant drag cat eye. I'm going to be using a red eyeshadow immediately above the eyeliner that fades into an orange shade. lips, they're going to be black. I really wanted to put a bold, solid lip on her, and I think black does the trick. We're gonna put a gloss right on top of that, just to give it that very fashion-forward look. As I was looking at this in the mirror, I really thought that it was missing something, so we decided to pop on a bottom lash right underneath the white line that we drew underneath our actual eyes. My inspiration for this is actually Cruella de Vil, the Glenn Close version. I really felt like I transformed into this character. We got the attitude, we've got the personality. I really was channeling Glenn Close and Cruella de Vil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.